Hey, yo, what up, though, man? It's the Glue Detroit Young Good, now known as the Prophet for Profit, Trey Emanuel. Want to let y'all know about what I'm got going on, dog. I know a lot of y'all may have heard about it, Motor Club of America, MCA, whatever the fuck, $40 to get you racks. That shit, yeah, that shit's real, my nigga, like, it's real. You feel me? And I'm kind of upset that I didn't jump on board, back when it first started popping off last year, you feel me? But, now it's better than ever, you feel me? So, I'm definitely excited to be a part of Motor Club of America and the opportunity that it's providing for a lot of other individuals. I know that I'm going to have that same success and more. If you've been interested at all in MCA, Motor Club of America, let me know, man, because I can definitely put you up on game and get you a part of my team, man, because I know a lot of motherfuckers just out here signing niggas up and ain't really letting them know really the game and how it go. So, and I've been taking my time learning this stuff. So, if you're really looking to get down with me, or if you're looking to make some money on the side, you feel me? If you're looking to make, whatever you put in is what you're going to get out, man. You know what I mean? You got to have that mindset that you're going to get it. Because if you don't, you ain't going to get it. Flat the fuck out. But yeah, like I said, man, drop me your email, and I'll be sure to get back at you. Or you can go to my website, www.mcaabundance.com. Because, damn it, we going to live life abundant. You feel me? And I'm just getting started, man. Peace, love, and godliness to you all. 13.